Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video and I just want to say thank you to everyone who supported my first upload. If you are new here, my name is Saikon and this channel is all about helping you grow on YouTube, how to build a business mindset and create passive income online. When I started this journey, I didn't have fancy equipment or experience, just a strong mindset and the courage to start. And that's what I want to talk about today, how to start YouTube the right way and how it connects to business and how you can make money online even as a beginner. How I start, I have 5 parts. Part 1, how I start YouTube. Let's be real, starting YouTube isn't easy. You might feel shy, unsure, or scared of what people will think. I feel that too. My first video wasn't perfect. My voice was shaking, a little shy, my editing was basic, and I didn't even know what thumbnail meant. But guess what? I started anyway. You don't need a perfect start, you just need a reason. Maybe you want to share your story, build your business, or inspire others. Whatever it is, start where you are, use what you have, and grow as you go. I'm already 40 years old and just start. Tip that help me start. Number 1, don't overthink your first few videos, just hit record. Use your phone camera and natural light. Number 3, focus on delivering value, not perfection. Number 4, learn as you post. Each video will make you better. If I waited until I was ready, I would still be waiting today. So if you are watching this thinking about starting, this is your sign. Start today. Part 2, YouTube as a business. So now let's talk business. YouTube isn't just about views. It's about value. Think of your channel like your own little business. You create videos, that's your product. You attract an audience, that's your customers, and you build trust, that's your brand. Here's how YouTube becomes a business's content equal marketing. Every video you upload promotes your idea or services. Subscribers equal customer. They trust your voice and support you brand. Consistency equal grow. The more you show up, the more your audience grows. Once you start thinking like a business owner, everything changes. You plan your content better, stay consistent, and focus on long-term growth, not quick views. And remember, the biggest YouTubers today, they all started at zero. What made them stand out wasn't luck, it was commitment. Part 3, passive income tips. Now let's talk about passive income. One of the most exciting parts of being on YouTube. Passive income means you do the work once, but it keeps paying you over time, even when you sleep. There are some great passive income ideas through YouTube. 1. YouTube monetization. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads, affiliate marketing, promote tools or products you use, like TripBuddy, BitIQ, or the script, and earn a commission for each sign up. Digital products, create ebooks online course or templates to sell. Sponsorship. Once your channel grow, brands will pay to promote through your videos. Repurpose content. Turn your video into short clip or TikTok or Instagram to reach more people. The best part, this thing can keep earning for you even when you sleep, as long as you keep building your content library. But remember, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, effort, and time. But it's absolutely worth it. Make money online. Number 4, part 4. Okay, now we are. Let's expand that beyond YouTube for a second, because once you start building skill here, there are many other ways to make money online. Here are a few ideas. Freelancing. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to sell your skills. Video editing, writing, designing, or voiceover. Dropshipping. Build a small online store without keeping products. Affiliate marketing websites. Share reviews and earn commission. Creating digital products, PDFs, templates, planners, or guides. Teaching online. Use your knowledge to help others and get paid for it. The point is, YouTube gives you visibility. It's opened the door to all these opportunities. That's why I believe YouTube is one of the best way to start your online journey, because your content can turn into traffic, and traffic can turn into money. Part 5, motivation. Don't give up. Now let's talk about something real, not giving up. There will be days when your video get 10 views, or maybe no one comments. You might start comparing yourself to others. But remember, every YouTuber you admire once felt the same way. Success takes time. You might not see results right away, but that doesn't mean it's not working. Every upload, every small improvement, every single view is progress. Keep showing up, keep learning, keep growing, because one day you look back and realize you didn't fail, you just keep going. So, it's not too late. Start right now. So if you are starting your YouTube channel or dreaming about building a business online, I want you to remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need to start and stay consistent. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow and motivates me to keep creating more content to help you and your YouTube and business journey. Thank you so much for watching my second video. I am just getting started as well, and so are you. Let's grow together. See you in the next one. Bye.